Hi guys, today we're gonna make a super nutritious morning drink that I gave up coffee more than a year ago and I feel amazing. Instead, I love matcha, but I'm gonna show you other amazing ingredients that you can add and make your own drink prepared, ready to go for your morning self-care routine. I have this old matcha and collagen package I'm gonna use today, but of course you can find a beautiful jar. I'm gonna make 5 portions today, so I just show you my proportions, but of course you can go ahead and make 100. So we're gonna start. I make like big jar of matcha if you don't know me. So I usually take like 1 spoon like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put 5 amazing antioxidant ingredient that has still some of the caffeine but not that much as coffee, and it can be an amazing alternative to coffee. Secret ingredient moringa. It's an amazing antioxidants drink powder that has lots of vitamin C, vitamin B. It also lowers your blood pressure and regulates blood sugar. 1 spoon like this for 5 portions. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Next we have spirulina algae. As you know, I like this stuff, and also it's amazing. Has all the antioxidants, detoxify your body. It has really strong smell. Originally they recommend to take not more than 5 grams a day, so we just go ahead and take maybe this much for the whole portions. It actually looks really good. All the colors of green. Next, it's the Dandelion blend. Actually, that's a new one in my life. Barley blend with Dandelion. Barley is amazing for you, as well as Dandelion. It helps with gut health and lower your cholesterol. You're gonna see that you have less of inflammation in your body, less of the water retention, and it tastes like coffee, really. As if you put it a lot, like it tastes like coffee, really. Cool alternative that you can take by itself even without matcha, but I will put like 3 spoons because I just like a light smell of it. But I take it because of the ingredients, not because of taste. Last one, I put a sugar alternative, monk fruit. I think it should be in every house. It is so helpful. I put it in all my desserts, all cookies, all you see on my Instagram. This is all I use. But you can also use a liquid, which is easier in already done drink, and you can adjust. I know plus minus how much I like. I put 1 spoon, so I just need 5 spoons of it for 5 portions. There we go. The last ingredient is optional because this is gonna break your fast, and that's why I'm not taking it every day. Maybe I'm gonna take it as a second or third drink after I break my fast. This is the peptides, the collagen, without any flavor, unflavored, but of course there are plenty of flavored. This company has the lemon one. I'm not gonna put it in this case here, but so you know, I put it a lot to my drink. So we're just mixing it. Look how it looks. Let me know if you have any other ingredients you would like to put in this amazing, nutritious, super healthy drink, and maybe I'll try it with you.